Hello, uh, my name is Emanuel Campo, and I'm from Industrial Electricity, and this is my transference activity for English. And today I'm going to talk about typical errors while connecting power components or electronic power components. More specifically, to soft starters and variable frequency drives. So, these components are really expensive, and our labor as electricians is to make them work properly. One common mistake I've seen is the compatibility. People don't use the correct soft starter and variable frequency drive to motors. So, soft starters and variable frequency drives have a operational current. The motors should be in this operational current as well. We cannot use a motor with a bigger operational current than the soft starter. It will just damage the component. And the next common mistake I've seen is connection. People don't identify their cables. It is very important to identify their cables because it saves a lot of time while connecting and a lot of time for the people of maintenance. And because if their cables are not identified, you will lose a lot of time just to address which cable is which and which one you need to change or which one you need to see. So it's very frustrating when the cables are not identified properly. The next mistake I've seen is configuration. People don't configure their dispositives properly or they do it manually. Look, uh, most companies have softwares that only need to connect their variable frequency drives or soft starters to an internet cable. And these two are computers. So it makes it more easier to configure them. And of course, there is this next mistake, and it is to check the errors. People just try and try and try without uh, without addressing the errors. So we can check the errors in the manuals, or we can check the errors in the softwares I've said before. They help us to identify what's the problem, and we can address it more faster. And of course, this will save a lot of time. And that was everything. Thank you, everyone. And these were typical errors while connecting electronic power components.